Relief for children's blocked and runny noses is within reach with the FLO Baby and Kids range. They are preservative-free, gentle, non-medicated, easy to use and can spray at any angle. If your little one is suffering from nasal congestion, it could be making breathing, sleeping and feeding difficult, which isn't fun for anyone. Because our little ones have sensitive noses, you need options made specifically for their needs. FLO Baby and Kids Nasal Saline range is designed with parents and children in mind, which is why they are the trusted choice. Ready to unblock some snuffly little noses? Your little one's tiny nose has narrow nasal passages that are easily blocked by symptoms from colds and allergies. FLO Baby Nasal Salines can help by thinning and washing the mucus and allergens away. And they are gentle enough on little noses so that they can be used daily. And best of all, FLO Baby Saline nasal sprays and drops are easy to use. Because our little ones can be wriggly sometimes, they have been designed so they can be sprayed at any angle. Start by removing the protective cap. Then position FLO Baby Saline spray under baby's nostril. Make sure you don't insert the tip of the spray into baby's nose, as sudden movement may cause injury. Then simply pump the spray as per the recommended dosage on the pack. Gently wipe baby's nose with a soft, clean tissue. FLO Baby Nasal Salines are also available in a drop format. Some parents may prefer to use FLO Baby drops when using a nasal saline for the first time to help newborns breathe freely. And for not so little ones, there's FLO Kids Saline Nasal Spray. The thumb drive pump makes it so easy to use. Your kids can do it themselves. Just position the nozzle below the nostril and spray the required dose. See? And because it sprays effectively at any angle, they'll always get it right. So help your little ones to breathe freely with FLO Baby and Kids Nasal Saline sprays and drops. To learn more about the full range of FLO products, visit flo.com.au.